के सांसदों को कि आप जनता के बीच जाइए और बताइए विपक्ष चलने नहीं दे रहा, संसद कोई काम नहीं करने दे रहा है। उनको
पेगासस का रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं दे रहा है? घर में पेगासस का रिप्लाई तो देना चाहिए। वैसे जनता नहीं जानना चाहता है। जनता को जानने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा लोकसभा होता है, जो पब्लिक और लोकसभा राज्यसभा में पॉलिसी डिसीजन नहीं अनाउंस होता, अगर डिस्कशन नहीं होता तो कहाँ पे चर्चा होगा? एक चर्चा चाहे भी तो करने नहीं होता है। आपके सांसद ने दीदी पर्चा भी फाड़ दिया, सांसद ने दीदी पर्चा भी फाड़ दिया, पर्चा भी फाड़ दिया। राहुल गांधी हो सकता है। तो फिलहाल इस वक्त आप देख रही हैं ममता बनर्जी सामने जब उन्होंने कहा कि विपक्ष की सुनवाई नहीं हो, ममता बनर्जी एक तरीके से ममता बनर्जी देखिए निकल रही हैं, ममता बनर्जी जो जा रही हैं इस वक्त देखिए ममता बनर्जी दीदी 2024 के लिए क्या ये तैयारी है? ममता बनर्जी जो निकल गई हैं, देख रहे हैं आप तस्वीरों में ममता बनर्जी जो इस वक्त निकल चुकी है और ये देखिए ये आप देख रहे हैं ममता बनर्जी जो जा 45 मिनट तक तकरीबन ये मीटिंग चली है, जिसमें ममता बनर्जी ने साफ तौर पे ये कहा कि विपक्ष के सवालों को सुना नहीं जाता, विपक्ष की आवाज जा रही है। लेकिन जब हमने उनसे पूछा कि आपके सांसद नहीं विपक्ष की भूमिका के तौर पर क्या पर्चे फाड़ दिए, उस पर आप कुछ नहीं कहेंगे।
माइक ऑन कर दिया था, सब कैसे हो गया उसका?
But Mamata Banerjee addressed the media and she said that there should be a reply in Parliament. Remember that she met with Sonia Gandhi and the meeting went on for more than 45 minutes. And we are also going through the main points where she has also said that Sonia Gandhi invited her for a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. In fact, she also said that every opposition political party must be united. She also replied to the question on Pegasus. She said that the government must respond to the kind of issues those are being raised by the opposition political parties. We are showing you pictures from right outside the Sonia Gandhi's residence, where this meet went on for more than 45 minutes at the residence of Sonia Gandhi. And she also said that she also said that it's important for every political party to be united to defeat BJP. This is what Mamata Banerjee also said. We tried asking her that if she should be the one who should lead the opposition on that particular question. She did not say anything. She just spoke on opposition getting united, and also Pegasus, where she said that the government must reply to the kind of concerns those are there of the political parties, including Trinamool Congress. The meeting went on for more than 45 minutes at the residence of Sonia Gandhi. Remember that she reached here at around 4:25 and meet went on till 5:15. She has just left from the residence of Sonia Gandhi. It was a big meet which took place at Sonia Gandhi's residence. Once again, Mamata Banerjee has reiterated that opposition must get united to defeat BJP. That's the big headline coming in. Biggest headline of this meet is that Mamata Banerjee is now asking every opposition political party to be united to defeat BJP. We have seen this exercise taking place before also, but there was no positive result of this. But once again, before 2024 Lok Sabha elections, this big meet took place at Sonia Gandhi's residence. And now, after meeting with Sonia Gandhi, she has clarified that every opposition political party must come together to defeat BJP. And while she's saying this, the agenda of her visit to Delhi has also been clarified, that yes, she is here to ask every political party to join hand and defeat BJP in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Shravan.
Also, Piyush, a quick query. As far as this meeting is concerned, when she was specifically asked about this question, who is going to lead this united opposition, to which Mamata Banerjee essentially said that I am no astrologer. What is it that you're really picking up from the multiple meetings that she's had with senior Congress leaders, then she's also had with other opposition leaders? What is the strong message that perhaps Mamata Banerjee is trying to send across?
देखिए बीजेपी को
is trying to send across to all political parties is that opposition must now come together. Well, Shaman, like you were discussing about this big meet, one message which Mamata Banerjee is now trying to send across to all political parties, all opposition political parties, is that they need to come together. They need to, come on one platform to defeat BJP, and that's the essence of her meet with Sonia Gandhi. Also, and for the same purpose, she is likely to meet with Arvind Kejriwal also in few minutes from now at 6:30 in an hour from now. She will be holding a meet with Arvind Kejriwal also, Shavan. And one message which she has clearly sent out to all opposition political parties is that they must come together to defeat BJP in 2024. And like you rightly pointed out, that she said that I am not astrologer, I am not the one who is going to tell as to who is the one who will be leading the joint opposition in 2024. But yes, looking at the kind of meetings which she herself is organizing, she herself is meeting with the political parties representatives, we can certainly tell that it's the Mamata Banerjee, it's the TMC Supremo who wants to.
Let's also listen into the reaction now coming in from Mamata Banerjee soon after her meeting with Sonia Gandhi. In fact, my colleague from our sister channel did try to pose a question to Mamata Banerjee. Listen in to what she had to say.
Yes, Sonia ji invited me for a cup of tea. Rahul ji is also there. So we met. We discussed the political situation in general, and also we discussed about Pegasus to COVID situation, and also we discussed about the unity of the opposition. So all we discussed. It was a very good meeting, positive meeting. I think the positive result must come out in the next future. देखिए बीजेपी को हराने के लिए सबको एक होना जरूरी है. हम अकेला कुछ नहीं है, सब एक साथ में मिलके काम करने पड़ेगा.
भैया यहाँ कटा लो यार कैमरा.
हम थोड़ा लीडर है, हम तो कैडर है.
ऑडियो आ जाएगा.
हम तो रोड का, हम तो स्ट्रीट का आदमी है.
टीवी 18 हाथ ऊपर कर लो यार. मेरी ऑडियो तो जाएगा फिर, वीडियो नहीं दे.
अरे बोलने दो ना. तो पेगासस का रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं दे रहा है गवर्नमेंट? पेगासस का रिप्लाई तो देना चाहिए. ये तो जनता नहीं जानने चाहता है. जनता को जानने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा लोकसभा होता है, जो पब्लिक हमारा पार्लियामेंट है, राज्यसभा है. अगर लोकसभा राज्यसभा में पॉलिसी डिसीजन नहीं अनाउंस होता, अगर डिस्कशन नहीं होता, तो कहाँ पे चर्चा होगा? ये चर्चा चाय पे दुकान में नहीं होता है, ये चर्चा पार्लियामेंट में होता है.